Welcome back to our 2-minute tutorial series to help you get started with Fabpilot. In this video, I'll show you how you can use the review and repair tools to analyze your 3D files prior to printing. So let's click on My Projects, and we can see that we have a sample project that's included with every trial instance. So I'll start with the brake handle file, and over here in the configuration panel, I'll set the material to PA12. In the review panel, we have all the tools that you will need to analyze your file. We'll start with the Solidity Check. So this assesses the fragility of your part depending on the material. For this material, this part seems to be alright, but we do have a couple areas that might be fragile. So let's use the measurement tool to take a measurement. Next, we have the cutaway tool, which allows you to review the internal structure. This can be useful if you have lattices or hollowing. Now let's take a look at the exposure tool. So this gives you a visualization of the surface exposure, which is dependent on the orientation that you apply. Now, let's take a look at the automatic repair functions. So I'll pull up a file with lots of issues so we can see how the repair algorithms work. So we can see that the repairs have automatically been applied when the file loads. So I'll just remove these so we can see the issues from before the repairs were applied. And I'll select the issues that we want highlighted. We can see that we have some different repair algorithms that Fabpilot chooses from when your file is uploaded. Some are applied globally and others are for local repairs. Depending on the issue, you can try different methods, or you can go with the automatically selected one. So now the repairs have been applied, and we can see that many of the issues were resolved. Some of these are significant issues that can't be automatically repaired. So this file would need to be edited in a CAD software before it can be printed. So this is an overview of the review and repair tools that you have in Fabpilot. Let us know what you think in the comments section below, and don't forget to watch our other 2-minute tutorials.